Welcome! If you're tired of other people posting things on your Facebook profile without your permission, you've come to the right place. In this quick video, I'll walk you through the updated steps to stop anyone, except you, from posting on your profile. It only takes a minute to do, and once it's set up, you'll have full control over everything that appears on your page. First, grab your phone and open the Facebook app. Once you're on the home screen, look for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon, usually found in the bottom right corner for iPhone users or at the top right on Android. Tap that icon to open your menu. Next, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap it, then select Settings. Inside your settings, find and tap on Profile and Tagging. This section is where you can manage what others can do on your profile, like posting, tagging, and reviewing posts before they go live. Now, under the tagging section, you'll see an option that says Who can post on your profile. This is the key setting we're looking for. Go ahead and tap it. You'll be given a few choices, such as Friends or Only Me. To completely stop others from posting, select Only Me. Once you do that, the change saves automatically. That's it. Super simple. From now on, nobody else can post on your Facebook profile. Friends can still tag you in posts, but their content won't appear directly on your profile unless you allow it. This is a great way to keep your timeline clean, private, and exactly how you want it to look. So if you value a bit of privacy and want to manage what shows up under your name, take a moment to adjust this setting today. You'll instantly reduce clutter and avoid those awkward or unwanted posts from showing up on your page again. And that's how you stop others from posting on your Facebook profile quick, easy, and totally in your control.